What is going on, guys? And today I will be teaching you how to make a game where you have to catch fruit with a basket. So first of all, I'm just hopping right into it. You want to delete your cat. And then I will not be painting the sprites this time around. I will just be using ones that Scratch already has. So, first you want to get bowl. A very basic sprite. If you want to, I will be doing this. I will be making the bowl a slight bit larger. And then another sprite that you're going to want is the bananas. Now, the best way, in my opinion, to use the bananas is delete 2. And then just have 1, tilt it, and lower its size. I personally think that works really well. And then for the backdrops, do blue sky. Or really anyone that you want. Doesn't really matter. So, now you have that. First of all, we need to code the bowl. Because if the bowl doesn't do anything, what's the point of it? So, when start flag clicked, go to X0, and if you're using the bowl, negative 157, but if you're using sprites you're painting, you definitely want to do your own correct number, because it's not always going to be right with my number. And then, put a forever statement in. Set X2, go to sensing, mouse X. Now it'll do that, so you can move. I mean, it goes a little bit fast, I do admit, but works okay with me. So that works perfectly. Now, we also need a score. Because what's a game if it doesn't have a score? So, my variable, you can just rename it. Name it score. And then we'll activate it. So we have that now, but we also need to make the banana. So we'll do, when start flag clicked, set X2. Then we want to pick random. Go from one side of your screen. So for me, it's negative 219. Now you're probably going to think, well, if my negative number is blank, my positive number is probably going to be whatever my negative number is. That's not always the case with Scratch. If you want it to look really nice, that's never the case. See, it was so close, but not exactly that number. I mean, it might as well be, but, so when start flag clicked, set X to pick random. So now, every time, the banana will go to a random position. So, that will end off episode 1. Thank you guys so much for watching. Keep watching this series because it will help you make a really fun game.